So welcome to my YouTube channel, and today is my 10th video in English speaking challenge. So friends, today I want to share with you like a one motivational speech by the Muniba Majari's speech. This speech is very important and very useful for everybody. And like you train your mind to win every situations. It is very important things. Like she also called the Iron Lady of Pakistan, and she also tells about that you life is not a fair every always, and through the challenges, failures, and pain, and like real success and real victory when comes to you when you train your mind, face the problems, positivity inside of giving up. And she always says about that you can't control what happens to you, but you can control how to react to it. Like your mind is the strongest weapon, and if you train it, then you win all situations and against all problems. And like she always tells about that, like acceptance is the first step, and you don't waste your energy asking for why me inside of what has happened. You accept it and you work on what's now. And like acceptance makes your mind calmer and stronger. And it's very important things. And train your mind, see possibilities like others see the impossible, then your trained mind see the I am possible. And it's very important things like problems are not means to break you but you save you. It's a very important thing in this chapter. Like many things she share it many things she share it, happiness is most important things. And like if your mind is trained, then you become all things and you achieve all things in life. And courage moving forward, and fear is always there, but if you courage it, then you moving forward and feel very happy and you achieve all things in your life. It's a very important thing in this chapter. Like resilience, and life always knock you, but you if you train your mind, then you always face all problems and you always get it all things in your life. It's also very important things in this chapter. And sees story also like a biggest example and biggest proof. And at her accident, she could have chosen the hopelessness, but she trained our mind and she always think positive and get it. So she always tells about that, like you always think about positive and you always accept the many things in your life, then no one can defeat you. And like if you train your mind, then you achieve all things and no one can defeat you. It's a very important thing. And defeat is very negative things, and if you think about the positive, then you can achieve all things in your life. So like a gratitude overcome complaints. And you think inside of think about what you lost, you think about what you still have, and gratitude makes you better, and gratitude gives you confidence. It's a very important thing in this chapter also. So friends, it's my today's content. So friends, okay, bye and take care. I will upload next video, next important things tomorrow. So okay friends, take care. If you like it, then you like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, bye bye.